What if everything we thought we knew about the Pacific's depths is about to be shattered? A mysterious new phenomenon has emerged in the deepest parts of our ocean, raising more questions than answers about the untold secrets lurking beneath the waves. Scientists around the world are scrambling to understand something that defies explanation, an anomaly so unprecedented that it's forcing us to reconsider what we know about our own planet. This isn't just another discovery, this is a mystery that could change everything. Welcome back to Space Prime, where we explore the unknown corners of our universe. And today, we're diving into the abyss to uncover what might be the most significant oceanic discovery of our lifetime: the deepening mystery. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, in the crushing darkness of the Mariana Trench, the deepest known part of our planet's surface, something extraordinary is happening. Scientists have detected an inexplicable energy signature emanating from depths that were supposed to be geologically stable. We're talking about 11 kilometers below sea level, where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, and temperatures hover just above freezing. The first indication that something was wrong came from seismic monitoring stations scattered across the Pacific Ring of Fire. These sensors, designed to detect earthquakes and volcanic activity, began picking up patterns that didn't match any known geological phenomena. The readings weren't random, they showed a rhythmic, almost pulsating energy emanating from a specific coordinate in the Mariana Trench. But here's where it gets truly bizarre. Initial scientific expeditions sent autonomous underwater vehicles to investigate, and what they found has left the oceanographic community stunned. These deep-sea robots are reporting unusual sonic patterns, sounds that don't match any known marine life or geological process. We're talking about low-frequency vibrations that seem to follow a pattern, almost like communication. And then there are the light emissions. In a place where sunlight has never penetrated, where life exists in eternal darkness, sensors are detecting bioluminescent activity, unlike anything previously documented. The intensity and frequency of these lights suggest they're not coming from known deep-sea creatures, but from something entirely new. What makes this even more intriguing is that seismic data suggests this anomaly might be connected to previously unconfirmed tectonic activity in the region. Some researchers are speculating that we might be witnessing the birth of a new geological feature, or the awakening of something that's been dormant for millions of years. Unveiling the unknown. The challenge of investigating this anomaly cannot be overstated. We're dealing with an environment more hostile than the surface of Mars. The crushing pressure at these depths would instantly destroy any human body, and even our most advanced submersibles can only withstand these conditions for limited periods. The projected area of the anomaly spans roughly 50 square kilometers. That's larger than Manhattan, making comprehensive exploration a logistical nightmare. Current estimates suggest that fully mapping and understanding this phenomenon could take decades with our existing technology. Dr. Sarah Chen, a leading oceanographer at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, recently stated that this discovery represents the most significant challenge to our understanding of deep-sea environments in over 50 years. She compared it to discovering a new continent, except this continent is hidden beneath 7 miles of water and crushing pressure. To put this in perspective, we've explored less than 5% of our oceans. The deep sea remains more mysterious to us than the surface of the moon. And now, in one of the most unexplored regions of our planet, we've stumbled upon something that doesn't fit any existing scientific model. Historical context makes this discovery even more remarkable. Throughout human history, the ocean has surprised us with phenomena that challenged our understanding. From the discovery of hydrothermal vents in 1977, entire ecosystems thriving without sunlight, to the more recent identification of massive underwater rivers and lakes, the deep sea continues to reveal secrets we never imagined possible. But this anomaly is different. Previous ocean discoveries, while groundbreaking, could eventually be explained within our existing scientific framework. This phenomenon seems to operate outside those boundaries, suggesting we might need to develop entirely new theories to understand what we're observing, potential implications, and perils. The implications of this anomaly extend far beyond scientific curiosity. The deep-sea ecosystem is incredibly fragile, having evolved over millions of years in stable, isolated conditions. Any disruption to this environment could have cascading effects on species we haven't even discovered yet. Consider this: scientists estimate that up to 90% of deep-sea species remain unknown to science. If this anomaly is causing environmental changes in the Mariana Trench, we might be witnessing witnessing the extinction of countless species before we even know they exist. The ethical implications are staggering. Are we obligated to intervene, or would our intervention cause more harm than good? From a geopolitical perspective, the situation is equally complex. The anomaly is located in international waters, but multiple nations are now expressing interest in research operations in the area. History has shown us how quickly scientific discovery can transform into resource competition. If this anomaly proves to be connected to valuable minerals, new energy sources, or advanced biological compounds, we could be looking at a new frontier for international conflict. There's also the technological challenge. Our current deep-sea exploration capabilities are woefully inadequate for comprehensive study of this phenomenon. The few submersibles capable of reaching these depths are incredibly expensive to operate and can only spend limited time in the area. We're essentially trying to study an entire new ecosystem with tools designed for brief visits. Perhaps most concerning is the potential for human error in our investigation. The deep sea is unforgiving of mistakes, and any accident could not only cost lives, but also contaminate or damage the very phenomenon we're trying to understand. We're walking, or rather diving, into completely uncharted territory with no roadmap for how to proceed responsibly. The anomaly also raises uncomfortable questions about our planet's stability. If something this significant can emerge without warning in Earth's deepest places, what else might be lurking beneath the surface? Are there other anomalies we haven't detected yet? Could this be connected to broader planetary changes we don't yet understand? Theories from the abyss. The scientific community has proposed several theories to explain this anomaly, ranging from plausible to extraordinary. The most conservative explanation suggests we're witnessing the formation of new hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers that spew superheated mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. Hydrothermal vents are already known to support unique ecosystems, so discovering new ones wouldn't be unprecedented. However, the energy signatures and light emissions from this anomaly don't match the patterns we see from known vent systems. The rhythmic nature of the activity suggests something far more complex than simple geological processes. A more intriguing theory involves exotic marine life. Some researchers propose that we might have discovered an entirely new category of deep-sea organisms, perhaps massive colonial creatures that generate their own energy through unknown biochemical processes. The coordinated light patterns could represent a form of communication or navigation system unlike anything we've observed in terrestrial life. The geological shift hypothesis suggests that tectonic forces are creating new underwater mountain ranges or valleys, potentially exposing previously buried ecosystems or mineral deposits. This theory gains credibility from seismic data showing unusual plate activity in the region, but it doesn't fully explain the biological aspects of the anomaly. Some scientists are even considering possibilities that border on theoretical physics. Could we be witnessing the effects of previously unknown chemical reactions occurring under extreme pressure? Might there be forms of matter or energy that only exist at these depths under these specific conditions? What's particularly fascinating is how citizen scientists and online communities have contributed to the discussion. Amateur researchers analyzing publicly available seismic data have identified patterns that professional scientists initially missed. Crowdsourced analysis of sonar recordings has revealed subtle details that might hold keys to understanding the anomaly's true nature. The international collaboration emerging around this mystery is unprecedented in oceanographic research. Scientists from dozens of countries are sharing data, resources, and expertise in ways that would have been impossible just a decade ago. This cooperative approach might be our best hope for unraveling the anomaly's secrets. What lies beneath? A call to discovery. As we speak, international research teams are planning the most ambitious deep-sea expedition in human history. The next phase of investigation will involve deploying advanced autonomous vehicles equipped with cutting-edge sensors, along with plans for the first crewed submersible expedition to the anomaly site. The technological requirements for this mission are staggering. Engineers are developing new pressure-resistant materials, more efficient power systems, and communication technologies that can function at crushing depths. The cost of comprehensive investigation is estimated in the hundreds of millions of dollars, but the potential discoveries could revolutionize our understanding of life on Earth. Funding remains a critical challenge. While government agencies countries and private foundations have committed initial resources, the scale of investigation required demands international cooperation on an unprecedented level. Some are calling for a new type of scientific Manhattan Project focused on ocean exploration rather than warfare. The urgency cannot be overstated. If this anomaly is connected to changing planetary conditions or represents a limited-time phenomenon, delay could mean missing the opportunity to understand something truly extraordinary. Every day we wait is another day that crucial data might be lost forever. But perhaps the most important implication of this discovery is what it tells us about our own planet. Earth, the only world we know that harbors life, continues to surprise us with phenomena that challenge our assumptions about what's possible. In an age where we often feel we've mapped and cataloged everything, the ocean reminds us that we're still explorers on our own world. The vast, unexplored wonders hidden in our oceans represent perhaps the last great frontier for discovery on Earth. Somewhere in those crushing depths, in eternal darkness, mysteries await that could reshape our understanding of life itself. The Pacific anomaly might just be the beginning, a glimpse into secrets that have been hidden beneath the waves for millions of years, waiting for us to develop the courage and technology to find them. What lies beneath isn't just water and darkness, it's the future of human knowledge, waiting to be discovered. The question isn't whether we'll uncover the truth about this anomaly, it's whether we're prepared for what that truth might reveal about our world and our place in it. The ocean is calling, the depths are waiting, and somewhere in the abyss, answers are emerging from the darkness.